Alright guys, this is really going to be a collective haul. So first I got some stuff by Puma, and because y'all know I'm on that workout thing, right? That workout-ish. So, so I first got a tights. Let me just show you what that looks like. It looks like this, and I got it in a large. So hopefully it can fit me. It's just like a long tights with like the Puma on the foot. And it has the logo right here on the hip as well. So yeah, so that's one. And I think I got the black one to that grey one too, I think, and I got it in a large as well. So yeah, so the logo is right there on the hip, and it says dry cell. I don't know what that means. And it has the Puma here on the foot. So I have two of those. And of course a bag. I wasn't sure if I would wear this to the gym, but I was thinking gym when I got it. So it's just this Puma bag. And it looks, I mean, it's cool, it's pretty cute to carry to the gym and stuff when I start the gym, because I don't start the gym as yet. Then this is going to be my baby from now on. This is my Alboline that I also bought it online. If y'all don't know what Alboline is, just Google Alboline and weight loss, or Alboline and flat tummy, whichever. Got it. Oh crap, I forgot the saran wrap. I may have to ask my neighbor if they have saran wrap, because it's needed. Then I got some stuff for Jonathan, but that's more for Jonathan, so I won't be showing those. Then I got my, I think this is from Smilebright. So, oh, I got a new kit, yes, because I can't find my battery for my other one. So my new Smilebright kit is in the place. Finally, oh, I can start again, because I lost my battery. And I have two last things to show you. This is a waist belt, and this is a waist belt, and this is something that I'll be testing out for Pomi. Hashtag what waist. So let's try this bad boy on right now in front of everybody. I got this in a large, so let's see if it will fit me. Hopefully it does. You see my belly? Oh wow, oh my god, it does fit. And then where is it? Is this just one? And then this comes around, but it's just one that comes around. I thought it was two. Oh my god, yes, Pomi, what waist, nigga, what waist? Because my tummy has always been an issue for me, so it's something that I'll be trying out for Pomi by Lyric, and if it works, then we'll be carrying it. So yeah. So if it works, that's what we'll be carrying. If it works, I have to test it on myself first. And then the final thing in this big box. So I got this for the gym, and when I was reading the reviews, I was like, oh my god, I can't wear this to the gym. I don't know, if you guys wear yours to the gym, let me know. But it came in this beautiful box. And it is the Fenty Trainer Black, and it's in 3.5, I think. So it has a dust bag, which is pretty cool. A velvet dust bag, which is pretty dope. This, and it says Fenty, that's pretty dope. And they come in here And this is what they look like. They look so good. Yeah! They look so good. Oh my gosh, and it's in all black as usual. I mean, as like duh, because I got them to work out in. But then when I was seeing the reviews, I was like, God, I can't work out in these. I'm gonna wipe off my dirty foot bottom and try them on. Oh wow, these are snug. These are snug, you guys. They're so cool on. This fits so snug. It like this area right here, it hugs your foot. See, I'm sweating. These are so snug. So yeah, that's it. That's everything that I got. Everything that I'm hauling today. Just had to come by and show you guys. Jonathan, don't pull it down, Papa. I know, I think I'm going to be snapping these. So if you're on my Snapchat, you've seen these already. So aww, my baby needs me. He's teething. Him have fever now for a couple of days well. So yeah, I'll come in. See me here? I'll come in. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys.